Today, we're going to replace this exterior door. There are some issues with it. It barely makes it off the ground, so we're gonna take this out, raise where the threshold sits, and put on a brand new door now. Quarter inch on this side to a half inch on that side, and fill this all. The door's covered. We're gonna put it here. But that didn't hit anything. So I'm just gonna have to pre-drill in here and drill into the actual frame itself. What the heck is this called?
Weather strip.
Yeah, the weather strip. But there's no wood here, so I don't know if the camera can see, but this framing has a 2x4 and then behind it a 2x8 or 2x6. So basically right where these hinges are, there's just a void of no wood. One at every hinge. Yeah. We have to do something a little janky here. Basically, this is so tight to the wall here, and that's how the old door was too, and it's just because we don't have a lot of room. We have to fit a piece of 1x in here because the door's so recessed in, so we don't have a planer on us, not like an actual table planer. So we are planing it through the table saw. All right, here's our piece that we just planed down. It works. So then after it's ripped, it should look like this. This plain piece is just so we can get past these hinges. The silicone for the bottom. OSI caulking against the brick. Next would just be to caulk and paint the trim, and then you're ready to go.